Hey guys, welcome to another night in the shop. I'm Fred. So I'm back at this break for my welding cart. Anyways, I got the cam follower in the vise. We're gonna put a little relief in there and put a little narrow in there, a groove for the tensioning spring. This little guy here, because I was trying to figure it out there a couple nights ago, like how can I get this without putting an external spring on it. So I'm going to groove it out, put this in, make one small relief where I can slide a bar in that'll be directly underneath the spring, and this will be plenty. This will compress up to 1/4 inch, and it's a little bit over an inch long. So that's what we're going to do. So let me get the mill all set up, and I'll turn you to the mill. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, we're in front of the mill, and yeah, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drill a little hole. That's the width of this rod here, which looks like to be about an eighth. It's a little bit over. And so drill a hole. That'll be the bottom of the spring relief. And then I'm going to cut a little groove all the way down, all the way through to this point here. I've done all the measurements on the main body of the Kart Break. So, all right, let's get started. So we're going to proceed with drilling this hole. Then we're going to swap it out, put an end mill in there. 4 flute. I believe this is a 3/8, and we're gonna groove this out here slowly. All right, let's begin. And I'll come back. I just got to get a small reamer. So guys, what I've decided here is I'm going to use a small end mill to go down on that hole, and then I'm going to make that pocket. Then I'll put the 3/8 end mill, and then just clean that out. So let me change out the chuck, put some collets in, and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I've got the small, this one here is, I didn't even see what the size was, 1/4 inch. So we're going to plunge that through, and then we're going to bring it back up and go across there very lightly. Take light cuts right up to this point here where I have it marked. So what I'm going to do is set up my DRO here. Okay, continue. Table's locked off. I'm going to do this real slow. And we're through. All right. Let's clean that up. All right. Set that, lock the quill up, and then I'll use a table from this point on. I'm feeding in about 40 thous. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish off camera, and then I'll bring you back when I'm completed this small job. All right, hang in there guys. Thank you. So guys, we're back. I put the cool mist on here to relieve some of the chips. I put the my blaster windows on to keep the chips contained onto the mill table. I'm on almost my final cut here. So let's carry on. I'm going to engage the auto feed on this one here. And I've got her taken off about 50 thou now. The oil was okay, but it was clumping up inside the bit, and I just didn't want to break a bit. We're almost there. These blast shields work really good when you're doing a little bit of shell milling, because it shoots those little sharp shards of metal all over the damn place, all over the shop, and then you carry it in on your shoes, and the next thing you know, your wife is in all of that. She said you brought some crap in, or somebody stepped on one. So, okay, we're good here. And let's turn that noisy bugger off. So now I'm going to change out the end mill and put this 3/8 end mill in. So hang in there guys, I'll come back. Okay guys, we're back. I've got the mill swapped out. I'm going to do a touch off, and then I'll add about 20 thou for the first cut. I'm going to leave the cool mist on. Keep the blast doors up. Okay, DRO is set now. We're going to add 20. So again guys, this is just going to go back and forth until they get to the bottom. I'll come back on my last cut. Alright, hang in there. Yeah, now we're on the last bit. All right. Okay, now we're right at the bottom there. So I'm just gonna take a file, clean that off, deburr it, and then I'll come back to you. All right, hang in there, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're back. So let me just take a little bit of these burrs off here. I already nicked myself on the damn thing. Anyways, so I'll show you exactly what my plan was. And here we go. So let me get the little spring in the bar. So what's going to happen is this little spring is going to sit inside here. All right, and it's preloaded, and I'll give you a close-up. So that's the spring cushion there. And when it's inside the housing that we did there a few nights ago, I'm going to drill a little hole here, right? And then this rod here will fit in that hole all the way through, and I'll put two little grub screws in there and to hold it in place. And what will happen is this spring, this rod will go through, and let me see if I can get you close up, and that will take up the tension to keep the brake on until I disengage the lever. So there we go, guys. That's what she looks like up close there. I don't know if, here. There we go. So you've got the little relief on the top. I'll have to massage these corners here and put a little bit of a flat on, and I'll do that off camera and with a little file. So there she is, all the way around. I gave her a polishing in there yesterday, just for something to do. Today is a really rotten day. It's pissing rain, and yeah, it's not so good. But anyways, that's the finished piece for the cam follower. Anyways, to be continued. So guys, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a great night. Okay, bye for now.